YouTube starts rolling out unstoppable 30-second ads. YouTube has begun rolling out 30-second unskippable advertisements specifically on its TV app, which runs on smart TVs, game consoles, and streaming devices such as Roku, Chromecast, and Fire TV. These ads play in full without a skip button. On phones, laptops, or desktops, longer commercials typically show a skip option after about 5 seconds. But on connected TVs, that option is deliberately absent. Google confirmed the update as part of changes to its connected TV advertising system in Google Ads. The platform can serve several formats, including 6-second bumper ads, 15-second spots, and longer placements that run without a skip option. As YouTube CEO Neil Mohan describes it, YouTube is the new television, interactive yet couch-based. And this has opened the door to advertising approaches long used by broadcast networks. Advertising remains the company's main source of revenue, with financial reports showing the platform generated tens of billions of dollars from commercials last year, a figure analysts often place alongside the ad income of large television networks. The longer ads appear mostly around extended videos on the TV app. Instead of brief breaks with a skip button, the app may run a full commercial before the video resumes. YouTube's subscription plan removes such spots, though. The paid tier also includes background playback, downloads, and access to YouTube Music. Google has promoted the subscription service for years as an alternative to ad-supported viewing.